Replacing interior doors. Why would you want to replace your interior doors? Welcome to Burning Questions. I'm Mark, and that is your burning question for today. When I'm out with customers, I get asked often, should I replace my interior doors around the house? And I find that there are three main reasons why you may need to replace your interior doors. First, it could be just outdated and you're looking to change the design style of your home. You might not be so happy with those dark stained oak flush doors of the 1980s. A second reason to replace your interior doors would be the amount of abuse they take from everyone in the family over the years. Doors can be abused from moving furniture, briefcases, the occasional arguments between siblings, and just general wear and tear. And then third comes really excessive use between the handles and hinges and the door being opened and closed thousands upon thousands of times. Sometimes the door is coming off the hinge and you fixed it several times and now it's beyond repair. A simple fix could be just a new slab or taking out the existing door and putting in a new jamb, door, and casing. I have found that over the years that it is a good investment in your home by replacing the interior doors. It will update the home's interior design, overall appearance, and at the same time increase the value. Your return on your investment will be well worth it. Thanks again for joining me. Send us in your burning questions and I'll put them out.